Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Purple, sky blue, violet, light green, green, red, brown, orange, black, yellow, blue and pink color. Pink color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. Now we are tracing letter C. Letter D. Purple color. E. This is letter F. We are tracing letter G. This is letter H. Black color. I. Now we are tracing J. This is letter K. L. Blue color. M. This is letter M. N. This is letter N. O. This is letter O. P. Orange color. Q. This is letter R. Kids, we are tracing letter S. This is letter T. Red color. U. We are tracing letter V. This is letter W. X. Light green color. Y. This is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.